Robotechers, today I don't really know what we're going to be doing because the go-kart's over at the shop getting a new tire, getting fixed. I will have it on Friday, but you know, it's kind of a mess down here. I just thought I'd just walk around and stuff because I haven't done a video in a while because I burped. My phone was acting up and it wouldn't let me do any videos, but it works now. And we bought a new tire for the go-kart, but it's over at the shop, like I said. Oh God. Don't really know what to make this video about, but there's water, if you can't see. Right. We are getting a snake. That's a cat right there. Can't see, but you probably can. Blah, blah, blah. His name is Grizzle. I call him Grizz. Grizz. Okay. So today's video is just gonna be about a mix of things. Oh, bro, he's at my feet. Look, I can't even. There, good. And thank you for the 2 subscribers. So, please subscribe and turn on notifications and like the video. I'm struggling because my foot is stuck in the tire. Wait a second. There. Okay. I guess we could just do something. This is what. Oh my God, bro. Go somewhere. I don't even know. We could chop wood. Wait, I cannot record with one hand and pick up stuff or chop wood with the other. Here, record me. Record. Dracula. Or you're gonna have to move. Watch out, kitty. Hey, move, Grizz. Oh. Wait. Okay, come on. You ready?
You don't like it.
That was weak. That was. Bro. Stop it. I'm closing my eyes because I don't want to. There we go. Solve that.
Let me try.
Man, that's boring. We could do